Okay, in this video, we're going to be multiplying left to right. And the reason why doing things left to right is kind of useful is whenever you say a number like 597, you say the far left number first. And so in a way, as you solve the question in your head, you'll be able to say the answer. But that takes practice. And so let's begin. So first what I'm going to do is rewrite this vertically. So 431 times 3. And instead of starting at right and going to left, you're going to start left. 3 times 4 is 12. So I'm going to put a parentheses 12. Then I do 3 times 3 is 9. Then I do 3 times 1 is 3. And I'll show you why parentheses are going to be useful. But that's our answer, 1293. And again, if you solved it the other way, it still wouldn't be a lot of work. So this is kind of a good example. We're dealing with very small numbers. So, in your head, you're saying 3 times 4 is 12. So I'd be like 12, 9, 3. So in a way, as you solve the question, you're able to say it. And so now we have the next problem. 597 times 4. So 4 times 5 is 20. So I'm going to put a parentheses. 4 times 9 is 36. And 4 times 7 is 28. So this is where the parentheses is going to be very useful. So you wouldn't say your answer is 203628. Because, you can kind of think about this. If this was 600 times 4, you'd get 2400. And so this is what we have to do. You take your 3, you bring it here. So now you're going to get 2, 3, parentheses 6, parentheses 28. This 2 we also carry. So we're going to get 2, 3, 8, 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. So this right here is your final answer. And this is why I say with practice, you'll also be able to do it in your head. Because, you'll do this. 4 times 5 is 20. You keep that in your head. Then you'll do 4 times 9 is 36. So then you're carrying the 3. So you kind of have to remember 2 sets of numbers before you say it. Alright, this will be our next problem, and this is going to be more involved. So we have 91 times 34. And so this 9, it represents 90. We're going to say we have 90 times 3. Now this isn't just 3, this is like 30. 90 times 30, we're going to get 2700. And I'm going to show all the steps. So I'm saying 90 times 30. Then we're going to say this 90 times a regular 4, because the 4 is in the ones place. 90 times 4 is going to give us 360. And let's show that. 90 times 4. Then we're going to take our 1 and multiply by the 3. Now again, the 3 is 30. It's like, this is 3, it's 30, this is 4, regular 4. That's how you have 34. So 1 times 30, and we get 30. So let's show that. We have 1 times 30, and then 1 times 4, which is just 4. So we have 1 times 4. So now let's line it up, and let's do again, let's do left to right. So this 2, nothing else, so keep your 2. 7 plus 3 is 10. So I know I need to, carry the 1. 0 plus 6 plus 3 is 9. 0, 0, 0, 4. And then our last step is we got to carry that 1. So we're going to get 3, 0, 9, 4. This right here is our final answer. Okay, this is our last problem. So we have 124 times 17. So this 1, it represents 100. 100 times 10, because this is on the tens place. 100 times 10 is going to give us 1,000. And again, we're going to show all of our steps. 100 times 10. Then again, 100 times 7. And so we're going to get 700. And so we're going to show it. 100 times 7. This 2 represents 20. 20 times 10 is going to give us 200. So let's show that. 20 times 10. And then 20 times 7 is going to give us 140. So let's write this down, 140, and how we got it, we did 20 times 7. So now we have 4 times 10, which is going to give us 40. So 4 times 10, and 4 times 7 is going to give us 28. So we have 4 times 7. And so now let's line this up. So 1, nothing else is here. We'll keep our 1. 0 plus 7 plus 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. Let's put a parentheses. 0, 4 plus 4 gives you 8. 8 plus 2 is another 10. And then 0, 0, 8. So we have a regular 8. Now it's all about carrying the 1, so we'll carry it here. This 1 plus 1 gives you 2. Carry this piece. 0 plus 1 is 1. and then this is a 0, 8. So that's our final answer, 2,108. And that's pretty much it for this video.